too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Ebushia for me ma obibia akwa bastronko ede eba Too Much GH so ebre aso se wo man emu ensem dia kodro di obi ato na ogu mo woka won ensem no yede ebeso mo ewo yefide so na tisabre wo ha dia momodin atom krafro bibia obe obetimi afre no ebre mu na just wono so beka ye ho na yedi nkomo efa Ghana ho na ebusofo sabre nsema ene amanfo kan won asem efa eye yenya ye papa Honorable Kennedy Ejapon nsem ya na nsentem abetodwa amanfo hu ni se dabi nsem no so no sifa kan no hu behia pass ebere ni ye na enkrampo no enu nti na kodum pepe so bi se akoda eya policefo enim eye nsem kroya ehunti nemsafo nsem no efa eye ejira committee a mampeni ete ye se wo mo hwehwe emu nsem efa ejira disturbance nsem ekoso wo ho ma military fo na policefo ebuotu ma amanfo emienu otu ana no wonse no de keka ho no bisafo eye anyim de na committee no second person original as witness a obedi adanse ewo ejira nsem no enwo no eye joint news journalist Erastus Asare Donko nebusafo ni nsem obekeka wo ho no no na tese honorable so ko address issue no ewo ye Metro TV good evening Ghana na tese wokoka se wonu emu nka we onya kwampa be mampeni a enkasa abrantie no wonu no di videos bi ba bontin ma manfo yem nya yem hihye se bibi koso Ghana bibi huhu na nso kwa wiete na asem no kra nya hu santi ko ye mampeni pa no ko onya akonya enkasa Erastus no enko modia amane boys akobro no na nuachi na eye abrantie ayenso Ghana ha wakasa pa fa oman punto sem Kelvin Taylor yenim ne pa wosen wakasa ehu na wobeka se dabi honorable se no sifa kan sem no do se no wa azumi wo kasa nka bani niam no yesi ehu bi penti na se wototo nyame ya no wa hwe ya ye nya sade na asem ato bribi na journalist bi awo Ghana ha no obi anim ni din as Ahmed Swale na wakata Tiger IP for ewu atese na wo yejuma edema Anes areme ya Anas sabrante no awomo ye investigative journalist na ensemi babontifa GFA hu na leza ensem na mu no Honorable Kennedy Ejapon tina so chi abrante wo former border so wo bia obehu ni bia na office wo mura abrante na busafo ase ni wonim di oka ase ni wonim fofia anto ata ama ameswale nkofo bi koto no so bontu ni ya besi ne ameswale hu nsem ye hu ni po masibra ye hu di echi no di asem no ato no so enti se onu emu wasaba na wodi na no kro ya tabeka se nko we mampeni a enka eye Erastus nko we ma ne boys akobo na no na mafoka se dabi yent na se ema no entosum plenu enti na se Kelvin Taylor so enti na so de ka se wo be make sure so be report eye Honorable Kennedy Ejapon ede ama FBI se no be ya wo mo ebetimi ache na ensem no motima hwemu na se enko ba ne se Brante Erastus no so journalist no de ba be hwere no e wo sa kwan eso na ebusa force na ensem ne benya hunti ase na wo be nya tebetete afam yenu nya se momo eka wo se no nti de be dikan etie eye Brante Kelvin Taylor so no de ensem no etu dwana ansa na no yakwa chira akotie Honorable Kennedy Ejapon no so dia obeka film na video ni ya ba continue nya no ebe continue e wo sa kwan so na ansa na krampo no ene day ye wo eye Brante bi e wo ye fie hasa wo NDC amanyuko no emu na wo sa ekasa edima amanyuko no ni di eye ora dan na mem chebiam de na ebe chem na ye twan ho abasese ko video no ye ba enkomo na de ba hye so e de fi ho.
Last 2 weeks I told you said that is what they do. They line up at Gabby's house and he pays them. So Evans Mensah, gay boy and your friend saying the morning your friend saying sir could do York, sir youngsters, sir community boys, you know, that's how they survive. They are liars, they take bribe every day. And I'll say this without any kind of I don't know, but these guys cannot be trusted. So I need to let you know that. But Kennedy Japan or friend also the chairman of defense committee, you know. Now, and there may be breaking story be or news be actually, it is very, very important. As much as I hate the operations of multimedia, no, I always want them to understand the say when it comes to human life, you know, very important. And Kennedy Japan and this government, they are doing something. And I know Kennedy, I watch him. He knows I watch him every time. And I know his next move. And his next move is against a journalist. Now, this government strategy, say they want to take some journalists out. People they feel are not making them popular. But the issue is, as seminar is, you know, a journalist for and a coffee buyer, and as seminar buyer and a journalist for coffee buyer. Let's listen to this ignorant man. After that, we will deal with the issue.
When your attitude program, but it's an issue that we need to talk about. And Ebia, a chairman of Defense and Interior, as some way no more and Obian team and can any. Let me start with Ejura. So, Ejura, and then me briefing, and when me briefing, any so say. Ejura, even the MP is a member of the Defense and Interior Committee. Although there were SSs, he said it plainly, he said, I'm hearing your politics, and your politics. Now, me say, me no Kragu hospital was a bako, a canine, bako, a born her. What you know, on one casa, a Gura MP, catching us away an MP before. But I've said it several times. I'm saying it here again. Say, and Tokwabepa Ghana ha, a more media fool. False reportage. Young year. Ebiasi baby. Ebiasi baby. And we are not different. Rwanda, media for over 800,000 people died. Her false reportage from Joy FM, they have to be careful. And then read my list. May catch them say, my boss, my contact Obaha, and then Bekasa catch me blame. And then may come Matthias and Joy FM. I did a muyenina. Mostly MP before and show ye into my best sabotage you. Ever bomb triso. Who boss ran a car, owner of the business. Catch them plain say, Joy FM for say, MP before show me. And he, my best sabotage you. Tell your boss if I'm lying. Now me tell some my officer will buy. He told me. Me I told Gabi and the rest Joy FM4 complained. But I've met Joy FM4 and what Gabi fee. And then I'm going. And then I'm going. You want to destroy the nation. But this boy should be beaten seriously. It's so annoying. Some journalists a year answers Obama should beat the hell out of him. May a president say that you a boy with bad. And the media we are above the law. You are not above the law. Because Obi Akukumuninuya. And you go and report say, well, fix the country, activists. And you see word mob. Mob and Akuku. What do you gain? And then you pam you say, and you pam me and Joy FM. She be ashamed of yourself. What we are doing that job, let me catch them. They catch them straight. You bia. When children move, you got it to your mugwede. Got it to your mugwede. Mugwede. Please, and you got nerves to.
The rest, I actually don't care about the rest, but we need to set some record straight. Kennedy Japan made emphatic statement. We need to be serious about it. The reason why I some way very important to me, I'm a person can watch him in brain say, I have seen say he is deliberately citing or inciting people to go and kill Erastus Asaredonko. Now, Onona Ostati Asem no say Onona the chairman of blah 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 blah. But Utien in Sem Kimuna, he did not even have an idea about Ejura incident, you know. Because Erastus Asaredonko, Ejura incident, you know, he was a reporter at the end of the day, you know, or Kohwa Assembly scene anymore or Kanye. Now remember, fix the country. Kaka started fix the country, or Kaka started fix the country, you know. It wasn't Erastus Asaredonko on a static story, no, or cover story, no. When Kaka Assembly see, you know, Erastus Asaredonko, who came in front of the committee, you know, he came in front of the committee as a journalist who was in the middle of the action, and he reported on what was happening, and the basis are the reporter friend, the colleague, a reporting before that incident happened here. So for the chairman of the defense committee and the D&D committee to sit on TV to say a journalist should be beaten or to be killed. The reason why I'm angry and I am very aggressive on this, and I say, also I say, whatever Erastus Asaridonko got now, Erastus Asaridonko is a reporter for Multi TV. Every single statement Erastus Asaridonko made in front of the committee, we all saw those things on camera. Erastus Asaridonko committee, I have not seen anybody come out to say Erastus Asaridonko statement or Kokaro committee, it contradicts anything. In fact, things the country, did not start the day that incident happened. The things the country incident was there already, and there were journalists from multimedia who were covering it. Erastus Asaridonko was called in to come in the middle to report, and then as he was making his report, he made people understand the basis of what is happening today. So for a member of parliament who has instructed people to kill a journalist before, Kennedy Ejapon is on record telling people to go and kill Ahmed Swale. In fact, he said when people meet Ahmed Swale anywhere, they should take him out. And Ahmed Swale was killed after he did that. He put his picture on TV. Today, he sat on national television to tell Ghanaians to say, if he had his way, if he was the president, he would make sure that boy is assaulted. It is the same fingerprint here. Now, from my intelligence, they want to kill Erastus Asaridonko, the multimedia journalist who appeared before the committee. Now, you have to remember, and your multimedia and a multimedia for doc recordings are, we would never have known what exactly happened. We wouldn't have even known say a soldier took a bow. For this guy who is saying that he's briefed every day and could not explain how this whole thing started, it means he has an agenda, and his agenda is to kill this reporter.
Ebusuafo na de say ensama eda apawa eso eno honorable nano akopa amene eyika ediamano nanso ni niam no amafo hu ni say on Kevin Taylor so sen wa fan tem no aso fa no soro kra dodro wa pentem ebuaten ede aye ato honorable Kennedy Ejapon so ani niam no multimedia for so wo mo etuanamo ede fan tem no so na de ye hu se wo release funny say statement hold on mode akota police for any man no wo mode extra protection e dey ama Erastus na bisa for say na bakosti de ebeba wechire say police force na mo be no betu afọ nia no Ghana here every day e be mu emu ensem na say na me kan no nyeme nkoa enenem be di nkomoda bi nkoa mitimi kasa ma nye ye wo ka ho bi na so biem sumi hia be di nia obewo ha ene ne betwetwe nkomo e dey afa ensem no na ye ko no me ka kire mo say owura bi e wa owura Dan oye NDC kasama for ha say ni din akasa na wo for edito no Daniel Hazel na it was for Okaiko Central ha say wono any youth organizer with that NDC for ano bebu no na do na din an wo de efe no Kofi NDC me shop pass what that na no kasa nya sem ketwa ene ora Daniel Hazel be din komo Kofi NDC ba kope ora ma kwaba
amani yenia
bibi aboko.
Oh, yami afam die yami aye na afam die na ka odudu amembu aye bui na Ghana esi ntwetwe Ghana esi ntwetwe na ya bom pa se mbre kakra ke yankopon ne den onfa yamfam na aba papa mbra na Ghana mfa no ntoma pa efra
obia empire no na nya aba papa kra e be ba nkwa ya bom pa se nya mabeko yie dia mo man na ni niam no yenhwe ensem asisi ade da ho se honorable Kennedy Ejapon ni nsem okafa Erastus Asaridonko ho ko we ka say if wishes were horses beggars could ride and honorable you so honorable member of parliament but no say businessman oni presidential we bia wo ye obi anim so be campaign na se wonye obetina for presidency na se wonnyina but we say senka wo ye president nkasa no be is it weighty enough to say same way say enkam your president into we na say what threaten Erastus is it weighty enough
yo ama old kan mami chia omampani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
okay
and then hokafo na min chia ya party mpenifo am the ended that so wasu krofoma ya press conference bi na did say Ghana for atin wasu pem na me fa akwan we so min chia me constituency chairman Ibrahim Musa and popular am fa na ava Ibrahim Musa say constituency no mu nya no a anka beto chima kakra na me fa akwan we so min chia the constituency I'm talking about the Green Army. Because say Green Army, I'm saying we your introduction say me na me da Mbegu na no.
No crane.
And if you say o ma bia be ko nima ejina Mbegu
na so.
Nti so kan ko center abeko nima ejina Mbegu so. Nti if you say dua e wo ahoden a na haba ni na ye den green. So we call them the Green Army of the NDC. Me chair all the branch youth organizers. So me kan sa wi a ama asma obi say me did say we am some troni
no crane
obia en sorry no ton na akukọ brede kwa ne wom ni say am say opanyin a nizin ebepu asam mu aye honorable Kennedy Japan ebia obi atinidin da obi so ntinidin da wo amayo mi no mami ndani ndam ebe di kakra ansa na ma ba asama kan
okay
honorable Kennedy Japan onye nipa tra say sabi mi Kofi Amitiye or a member of parliament or representing nkofo from constituency
okay ascent center
enti obia ehwa no so because o wombra embrahye bedwom so o ka shembra enti so o ka bibia ozimu na papa we ya keka nsama akeka ntimo enda wa kan anya me wonwa na before ameba sa asami a wa kan ende minua bema Taylor atwe Ghana ma adwe eji so ye wo man mu Canada Japan o se ye o mampani a Ghana fu nyina ya ato aba eji nse o ye o mampani ye na adu dankwa akufo ado o se na o ye dua bi o si ho a onyi ntin na se idua esuo no onyi ntin that dua no hu nyi mfa so asama Canada Japan o ka che o mampani a Ghana fu ya ato aba ma no Eti do man penyi no office and I say president obi aba condemn Canada Japan obi amba kan hwe
ya nkasa phone
ya wo Ghana ha honorable Canada Japan o say MPP fo nyina o ye jimifo na ona nkasa ko onyim the way a ona mso obodwan sa jimifo part we uhunde MPP fo mpanyifo wo ba out be condemn no obi amba kan hwe ya wo ha na Canada Japan ka kire de sempo liko akohwehwe o man panyin a what you $20,000 and sana among mampenyi or Kawagana ha unto mampenyi nkrofo anaso aban kasiem obo ba be issue statements as sama Canada Japan kana yantro obi anka hwe enti Canada Japan adina akeka saa na mi de bia me ka asem bi de oye mbra shed bojomni odi domanyim ihe Mbegu na aye wo Ghana no sabe ye hwempanyifo bi do ni ye do bonya bra
no kre
minji ndi ze honorable Canada Japan na mho no onyi Mbegu anaso onyi mba anaso onyi nkofa wo hwa no do no wodu tu anamo am salika bibi there or a businessman
yes
apart from politics I respect him as a person because say or kasa say or Shankran,
yeah.
He provoked the youth to, I mean, get their destiny into their own hands. What I say,
yeah.
But I there, meaning that say MPP are buying now or so, and I say MPP partner Kasano. Say I say Canada Japan you're untouchable.
At the only mean can I say.
I'm saying more because wakasa show man penia yen na ya to abaye yi no up to down obi antwe na so. Obi antwina na adwen be se obi akan asema o kan yan kan ye Canada Japan sabi our TV station
yeah no
so tena TV station no obi na no kekan sama atam so ya asefem class obi one na aka chem there or your honorable member mami Ghana ha ya we ebufu wa manfu mu Because bibia say business asay banks ye gu no bibia na na do den se beka bia na asay na nsi o kaji kotoko jesi ya di chance so kotoko sport kotoko mo jabre wa hen
eno so mo di aka
ma me fa akwan we na me dem congratulate House of Folk. That is the only team Manchester show Africa.
Hey,
ya wa ha say England o say di jesi be cha na now do say no maybe England ekese coming home ekese I just say bibia ya be friend na now do hu bia na asay. Oh, but asama make no ye ni bresam mama ka asama nchiro yet no ka on say na now time aye ba to aba ama no o say oba he is coming to fight corruption.
No crane.
No oba yusu anas principle.
Investigative journalist anas awe me ya anas.
Oba yusu anas principle tina Ghana fu nyina iden age atum. Ya wa ha yen nwa manase nsantro ni we yen santro ni ta meka de say eba to so obi gina obi do no robo na enka say soro no ka say on soro wan do
No crane.
because of finu da yin bebe o de ba yen nwa manase o man pani John Mahama mbembu mu di asa no wan kan che John Mahama ma journalist foi den atem di den sam na yan kan fa o man pani John Mahama ho sabi uti say obi ekokum obi eti say ya che so obi mu efi o manasi kekan sam cho man pani John Mahama wo mu dia campaign na mande na na do abaye president enti na na abaye president na yan kama asam na na do ya na yan kama asam obi oba try so obo na do so oba fight corruption bia say yen na mfu aye be chesin manasi aye manasi na joy FM guy ya omu nkofe bia wo caster no kakado ya the vigilantes bia kogu aye train no omu yen chesin manasi wen an kata South Africa Manasu kuya o twa John Mahama all launching the book. O man peni John Mahama na o sign the Facebook o to e man. That's what we call leadership. And so we a leader. No we ya botre. We dey criticize wa na ya na do man peni no beka so. Na Ghana fo journalists fo mo kasa dodo. Bibia na etu ma abo so na mo dey aka bibi ka na do to me and criticism. No. On to me nje oni abota was ade.
I say one aso na pushing for a right to information and journalists follow.
Na do can in some or can other you know say we should be citizens not spectators. I na do can
we should be citizens not spectators.
Why no can I feel abandon or can good speeches but he act otherwise. Mama break na Japan asam no do. Oka Ahmed Suali Honorable Kene Japan ekatina ni TV station so because obi akaka de nanado aye ya mampanyi aye DF Ghana DF president nanado the man $5 million obeja bibia ma o hye no bottom ma investigation koso Kene de Japan katina TV station sa boys no wonya na one brand wa obabrin bia bagis ka ma choka ai sa guda enda manasa wan aba gidigidi aban akoho ebusu afa akoho adoye fa akoho and then yen number o mate
Ahmed Suali
asam na make a show young boy somebody who have future ye yine for ya kakanya kana Japan kuya o say o tukwan akọ abro amanoni no ni former IGP and as a former friend Ashanti Regional Police Commander etina pem no so issue no in pokum Amesuali no ma hu no wokuma simple bobo ni di na almost onya abotana asam no mo hwehwe mo de kro America kwama specialist fubu bounty very so mbachi na se kase e kachi akra na obi mo akochuku ma akra na edwane this allegation Honorable Kene Japan ya wokana so to the Kumasi police we
police commander no so
when we say police for about our back friend say asam an Amesuali issue is an international issue to the sense or can say odu baby or to come a detainee no because of this issue. It is about as an honorable member of parliament to about this allegation against the police in Ashanti region. Once will be the Nesakano. Obi am from the Sankano.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, see police phoning him the pokum boy no. No, ya catching ya body come here the picture. No. Man akra nechi. The police phone so bachi no mu to be chin say asam and it's open on the radio any TV so can say we. On see aton sa friend
no.
nti ande obeka asem we ya onwa and that mesual wewu nti atena ho obi anka de wogana ha meso okoba and then we begin aka say edura asem e ba binya anya asem e defomu
no correct
wankasa omampanyu si yanya citizen nti sabi samene mo kan kwe central ha me ya omambapa na sendama bi nkoye na bi ametuto amedito ya fancy social media so aje we yonko we even to draw the attention of the nation or even the omampani and I said those people who matters into those things na bone be na maye
onye bone
nti on se nkofo aka attack and say ogu aban anima ase ogu kro na anima ase nti enkunu na si ekunu wonim se pan akora no fa so wu ye saka kaka wakwan ofa so ko wu ye no yombo so be yom ya that means sende nunyo na omo ekunu a chebe ba batu nti si ekesie no na boys youth omo akoma wo soro kakra na se ye kase o ye kaka ma omo down a ye du soldier fo na edikan and since awanka say ye wo Ghana ha won say ye demonstration me soldiers no mo dikan even under the ruling of military rule won say ye kapata abia inkwala ye chire bi me soldiers ko ya no mutututuo
ona say enye soldier for ne di kan hon kakra de correct police for and no ntimi contain situation no
dabi
from report
but videos na ba out no soldiers na no police for were behind the soldiers
they were withdrawing na soldiers for echo
so even let's assume that even police for without admitting say police soldier for no mudi enim does it call for shooting nkofo na omo ye demonstrate this innocent youth na omo display omo yi omo feeling say omo nwa na afọ kwa ababa so enwu awambo no ban na ade no ade na omo kokotuo and na Ghana ye kwo a to a point say soldier will just kneel down and guard and they shoot nti say ye kana say omo a omo wo ho journalist bi wo ho na so mampanya asset and na say minister asset committee so omo hwehwem na si aton sa friend no kwakanyo ohun ya does it call for this threat that's the Ghanaians Ghana for any abre nkofo any abre because Canada Japan nsem akeka bi dem obi no kwa waje afini nsem enti yenye ho na beto aso mienu enti if people are saying say at this time around Canada Japan say your friend but what bibi sa enti say na wo kan no say Joy and then who said Joy Media something of
multimedia for
Oma ye release Oma copy the chief of staff Otumfo or said to two and then the speaker of parliament ye share na be film baba
ye share the be film baba but ni niam no waka honorable Kennedy Japan history wa bobo so we know say he's an outspoken man or no he doesn't reserve comments as I said there hana share so kwa there you go all out and speak about it just as it is you need me for that. And there are numerous times that Wakasa, even as a member of the NPP or NPP, he has spoken out there about the things that go on in the party at Elfata. So we know him say that is how he is. And he said Mpokano previously Waka ama swale ni wono abasona say amount for the inside church and so no kwaka and that say while even say your friend grandpa na say you in charging for that issue. Way is another situation altogether. Ejira inquiry committee and one more to journalists nano. On also the observations at and from honorable point of view, no one say according to more one notice say as now they were reported at the Kwabonte. It was scary to know that this was happening back in your country. And to know from the point of view, no one say it was scary as from the view of the reportage. And to about no background to the normal things, no Titi Munsem said that it wasn't like that. Internet said all the hula baloo about the whole situation I reported Edipa, you know, it wasn't so isn't his anger justified? Said sometimes we reported
say back no kwala. Honorable Kennedy Japan. Or your chairman of Defense and Interior Ministry or Parliament, and I win you.
Very true.
Okasa Odimu.
Yeah.
Sabi, nipa ba ko kra hwe no nkwa yantutu ni fo it is a nipa more than 2 ewu na say ya friend and all the and thank God say and the social media now there are certain things you can't hide them and I hear you say omo person omo di fear aban we omo person omo di fear share enkofo a especially journalists mu a and that's enkofo omo expose you omo bad side of governance. And that's why we are saying say Ghana we are in a culture of silence.
But we still speak up as a people. So
anything na what can say hate ban ye tata no. What dey up here? Say officer sama honorable Kennedy Japan o kai me ko fi am tell am kaka nda me dam fie. Ye wo Ghana ha. Asama o kai no dia TV so ko bia ho so honorable Kennedy Japan wa ka asam yi. Ye wo ha na ye dey allegation to NDC chairman so say tape tape a wobotuma ka show them odi machines adot adi keke be say me da ya asam. What's NDC chairman akaka there? Oh, on mama can't na your ungovernable. Ya the amokas na rush so mo ka che no. Eye tape o. And yes o aka gina media and asa o gina TV mu na o ka no bia ho so on abo ofusapo fa aka bibi say tape a o mo susu say eye na voice. And that's my court.
Yeah, that's why we
court. Our court. On a book and a job. Yeah, coffee. And I say, NDC didn't walk out somewhere. And baby, I'm a Tehana Mete. And I can baby, the Hona Meda. And yeah, say, Omo ya cocoa football. I say MPP for the Omo Mbra, yeah, the show. And I NDC for Yawaha and NDC MPP boys. And I'm not Omcoche a Obia Mampenia Pound as a national security coordinator of Kumasi. Omcoche is too, if you have association to for me. Ye omo trash omo nkwe a judge or tell some so kumasi ye nwe nwa free omo nkofo ye we amfani omo peanut na omo kroye na nansia ebi ansi bem say national security coordinator our Ashanti region omo kro no ka che say anoma ba ye kwa ka che no security coordinator eba nda ne aka you see ye say bibia na ye buga. If you want to go against this government, then either you have your life to be threatened or even to chase after. And but to me trauma because I na don't kwa obey your mampani wo man mu. Obi aba JJ oya soja aban abako o mampani kofo abako but o mampani kofo tuanfu bi ante na o mampani kofo mi chawa and dey abri we yi. O say say wo to MPP before koto so want two more obi on for tension. Amba Ghana wona ma usro wona traffic mu ama obi to me Bobby Jones just said me discuss I say discussion bottom say yimano ona bu kofi kum say some Janado be your man penia yen to me do Ghana and no kra and nkofo na number Ghana ye bobo nkofo aso because so ni bi the phone ayira oma Ghana Janet
na say eno de eno ye miscreant phobi and I say omo
can be because is
blaming all that on the president
as a man who is it not the president the commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces?
Very true. But does it mean say he is in charge of every life in the military?
Until our time on Mampani John Mahama Tesono, BBC do John Mahama no director of the ECD.
And no a national issue. It had an
you see, that's where I have problem with journalists.
He had an
because
effect on the nation.
Oh yes, until omo de ende omo kan Ghana.
Him say omo ka Ghana. But some miscreants be some kophobia omo dream they took some decisions that were not.
Even Nancy, Mamma journalist back on City TV.
Yeah, Kalikuda.
Then I'm the end. Yaka was some I saw Aguzo, your friend say, a good your friend say, that be one can a champ or a German. Yaka kind and out one young from Bomba Sonka had 64 battalions. You see, I said, be a best biala. Efa say ye be expose abani biara no isanka ye onkofo ya den ye punish oma enanka onobu kan Japan yi keka ne nsem nka ye twe na so a enka we on san be ka biem because I am that say your friend say Joy Media Group have petitioned Otumfo and then the Speaker of Parliament and then the police service ya just say beko kesa ga be the same cause zero.
Okay entimi ko e cause zero ye o mra e o manga ne mu na Oka multimedia for no ensem no petition omo dia betu dwa no emu wa kakra nyanka menya bre e dia kenkan but me ye fa head no nimu ka ensem kakra say formal complaint against Honorable Kennedy Japan for threats against the life of Erastus Asare Donko, a journalist at Multimedia Group Limited. The attention of Multimedia Group Limited and its journalist Erastus Asare Donko has been drawn to life-threatening comments that Kennedy Ohene Japan, member of parliament for the Asen Central Constituency and the chairman of the Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament has made about Erastus Asaridonko. Those comments were made on the Attitude program aired on July 9, 2021 on Net2 TV, the television station owned by Kennedy Ejapong. I think that is almost issue and some so threat one more journalist name, but treating this as a threat, you say a DSTPM will be losing life, but in actual fact, as some more kind, was it really a threat? Being honest about it, was it a threat?
I mean,
but the fact that what kind of be previously, I'm not echo and then will be life will be action, but in this way, now can't say was it a threat?
Mammy, would you know way? Would you know way? Now, because you move, Mamma go fabo. Maybe
it wasn't that direct.
Or say, on some more bone basa, so call your man penna come man go fabono. San call your man brown man go fabono. The moment you have that intention, and Canada Japan, our followers.
Yes.
Honorable Canada Japan, our followers. And the other Ahmed Swale or Betchan TV say, Mucha Mombono, the same trend. Yambono, and they'll be a cocoon say, I don't know mamma on Kofukokuno, say, you know mamma, because of the word of Mafa, Okakanity, yet can who are they about some way.
I don't know what they better the word of God. Because he was invited by the CID, and if there was any iota of truth, maybe the Numa Sem the command the Basa, and he would have, because already now I'm a solid enemies of his own.
And what are you talking about?
In his line of duty, he could have done
as a journalist. What's the way? Sample Kongu Bibi no Kobos no Bekan, obey you be there, on you be there.
No credit.
That doesn't mean, say, you shouldn't do the right thing.
That is true.
Exactly. And you saw your baby, that's a you be there. It shouldn't be an enemy to the state. Say, Obia, we're quite exposed BT, and that young time young Kokunu. And that it doesn't work for you to die for your country as a journalist. Then you are not safe. You see, and that you tomorrow you don't know. Oh, Sakakaya, oh, we, yes, or your MPP ni.
No credit.
What you almost say or your MPP ni. Whether you can't remember, we don't know. But we don't want to see it say either or your MPP ni and also your this ni because life has been lost. Washe no kwa 1/5. Ngo fu be ko within 2 weeks. You don't back on it after 2 years to 1 month. Abaka mba ne mami.
No credit.
Who is going to take all of them? Sa papa ni yo and yo sabi. Obakwa abama ne benye biedi enti ya kan sama me ya hwa say bia the caliber of person or kan sam no then want to put asam so ya dafa no ona Ghana and ama ya ho chi hen because honorable Kennedy Japan he commands or your honorable member and on your ordinary member chairman of Defense and Interior Committee enti onya bi o kan sama ya fa na trasa. And she said, America said, no more are reported, and as more formally they have made complaints to the police and then copy the 2-4 and then Parliament because he's a member of Parliament, so they are copy speaker. They are sharing the film baba. So I'm so can trust and then the Ghana we are not safe.
We are not safe. I was supposed say Faye and Wabeka Yawo, Tuma GH has another say, and Koma ye dear F. Honorable Kennedy Japan in Zambia or the Abetuja F. Joy FM. Joy News for omo journalist bako Erastus Asaridonko and say ejira ensem sem ekoba ye nia no ni journalist bako a wo pushi all the footages say hu social media ensem wo de ba nia no na odi mu akoten a say enu ntino ejira inquiry committee ana ye ra ye mampeni na nakufado ati wo mosi wo se wo nhye ensem no wo mo inviting as the second witness na obetire ni nsem na say honorable jina so de ka say Abrante no nsem okeka yen se no de reportage ne ba abotinia na se entwakwa mu emma no na enko no a mu nko nya kwa be ma mpani pa nka sa abrante no betwa boys ama no na se o mabirim kakra na ni so aba no ho na no na eye Kelvin Ekotela ono so afa fi wo se dabi asem we de ya tibi pen a je se yeti ye no anche na journalist bi ya ni din ade Ahmed Swale eto na nanum ewo nti ti wasa be ka biem na te sa asem ni bi pepepe na we so safa another journalist who dey na yen treat we as a threat as I say sabre enunti crampo no anam so ma multimedia for so tu anamo a wo mo release statement and so mo say o mo protection adi ama eye wo mo journalist because o mo feel say he's threatened na Mr. Bonsubem Kofi NDC yenhwe say eba ne say after ensem we akopie mu ewo parliament na abeto do United say utumfo ne other one ye hwehwe ensem ye ma police for na say even a committee is hwehwe ensem ne hu say still na it was just sentimental based say or kind out of emotions into China. Will it have any effect on say the trust in the system?
You see, Mami, I always say institutions must work.
Okay.
Make us and woman, because I'm mama what I say there. I am the Joy Media, multimedia, almost take that steps. Think like they took that step because they want the system.
They want to follow order.
Let the systems work.
Yeah.
And he said if they come out now, almost send our can be out of before and out of one can with that bad intention says will be a obinkobunukuna identity or be a mouth a jansa. I as an honorable member, my little advice to my senior colleague say as a number I think say he should eat a humble pie and come out and apologize. He should come out and apologize because he's an honorable member. No, why can't some now some they are caught into your the police for inviting some bottle to nano. Now pay some more back and so one can walk at your one so now be invited the person now as some so fun so son honorable kind son no soon no mu ya no baba no mu so okay send off no mu ja man kwatra why who am I? But the issue is that you see this type of kasa aye kasa eya ma honorable kan Japan dimbwan say emani dimbwan na eya mani dimbwan because send o ka bibi so oyobi a o kan adwen say bibi sha ne bo a o kan adwen but kasa bi before there is something in the Bible or say it's not what that goes into your into you that defiles you but what comes out it is assembly before num aba on so wo dwen so asem amede be ana ni sunsuanso ebekọ ekesi den impe ya wo kana say e bia onu obi po we issue ma kire bi obi aka attack no eso because of asem a wo kan je say hey nyo na abo kan nti na wa so nkofo na de enti say kasa eya ade a say to fom ayansa amfa enti say wo beka bibi afọ obi ho a and I say even and you see if a journalist is interviewing you and they want to hit you to the wall no officer unkwa na wo akoma unkwa na otumi kan yan your hintu back as you always expose yourself because nkanya aye kan sabe a committee ni asset a yen invite nkofo a omo be ka witness na omo hu ye and all expect say nka jan so nka ka ni ono kan Japan ope ana is that the case so and we ko ni o kan ye ohu ye interview your friend the doctor na ye de nkofo a ebo mutu ye de call hospital no ejura incident doctor say etuo ni ye boafi nipa nachi ma kue nani and you ask yourself say even let's assume say omo ye demonstration obi kura tuo meanwhile these people are running enti omo bia na omo shoot omo enti say nipa no wo ho nipa no wo si ne yin invite no na okaka ne awanhu a o ne den na ewom adan committee na o ma friend no ona bu kere Japan committee ne friend no
omo friend
enti say bia ye bi se wa wo ni ho journalist no ho na issue ni si no report as ohun ye no o ba say wo ka ne busha ne yem you want to put fear into them is that how to and you the journalist you are part of governance system in the country. I think you are the fourth arm or the third arm or whatever that you call.
Yeah, fourth arm. Yeah,
exactly. And he said, "Mun kama amembu no NCP." Say mun nyimu a oda na do pe onsi go di dan e wo baby say journalist fan ka fan ba obi a entenenka. The same way na so ya adu na ya omo abasa aka fa ba. And he said, "Gana Japan ya adu na ye na say e bia BBS na say journalist bi akwa aka kan wasam." na say bib no kan kwa won ne ya adwen a won threaten say o ye we nka wo was atum na wo bebo no meanwhile wa katina radio station aka mende obi ahwere ne nkwa enti antutu ne fom ni po wa kanda no ohun sunsuma osuro
ampa. Yeah, some of the comments are about free viewers on your YouTube now so for you to come on so Saw TV or say this man and his mouth say a man who cannot control his tongue is doomed no matter how wealthy or well known he is. On the yard
oh why not this see they be on a book in Japan so me them was me is like officer the second no they can fan sanka no but embra e wo Ghana ha sanka yen hwehwe anim anka on sam bra ni di yes
Teflon Don so it be about say Nana Addo must be impeached as simple as that. I think that's too harsh. Nana Addo there so one do amemo no general and woye eti de beko bia no ahye amane arms a omo so eye djuma e de abo an nti o kakra de ma no bre DKM Opare or say watching live from UK. 4 more for Nana. Link up
city. 4 more for Nana any hand.
Osa akatre you one ni mu akatre nti.
Akatre mpo ni yekuku hwifom na yebekọ yeni.
O ya won e ba be wa asemaka. Link up city or say the system is not working. Ya share Honorable Kennedy upon in seminar ye hu the Kelvin Taylor Kelvin Taylor so yen share on honom so kakra. Ono si etimamuni fine. Ohun say you say ya na be kasa amani democracy na nya ye wo mu bi governance by the people and for the people ntina say ye wo mu bi enti say utieche na honorable kabibi na chakwen wo ni say a threat fine watch ya adwen abesi so but with some of the assumptions that will make here ne statement be o kika here so be reporting am FBI. Is it not tarnishing the image of state institutions? Say you were state institutions were then you speak about an honorable member in Ghana and you say you report him to FBI and you say FBI so there America asem no worker. Was it right in that stance so can sir?
Mame anka men can Kevin na asem no be because menim ni ogina do a o ma modi that statement.
Yeah.
But one thing now so who say we are see away is a Grover village.
Okay.
BBO so Ghana ha. Obi a hwan life for baby. No kodo o Ghana ha nyina no. Me a mete ko bia many information but obi owo outside e wo more information that because BB a obeyen bia no at the bedroom.
Okay.
Enti se or kasa e bia wo incidents bia we hu ni ndam okokọ so because am say when kasa mo can say oh when Ken starts talking like that, that's our agenda, and he's monitoring him. And to whatever fact that he has now, or Kasano, Mikofi, I can't say it. But so, about reporting out to the why Ghana, other Ghana, I say a judgment that we are international court, no okay. And so, some of these things, me, I don't have any issue against it. If he can do it, why not? At least to let Ghana, ye deeper embra.
But international state institutions no image say there was state institutions internal state institutions with me I
you see mama I tell me catch you say we have institutions but as institutions no yet selective judgment be say and then honorable Kennedy Japan akasa sa wakase di o mampani a Ghana for mani wina ya to aba amana atem say na do no o te say dua esi ho oni ntini it's a very serious statement on one obey the same allegation so say you impose up person ko hu na do when $20,000 yeah mama hu na do. You see these are some of the things can nobody came out to condemn Ken you are going too far enti say nisam keka say ya mobi abahwe no kwa enti am ka say o mkasa no e bi po anyo no and say onyim amadi no wu ho hwe but nanum asam na akoto ka amano what I say
but me nchewa no but wonim say penyin so de ye nchi penyin nim e wo bedwa mu say maybe wa fom krampa empenifo po be mo ntimi mfa bedwa mu kan ne ho na bo asem wa kende ene metia wa ha ya nkasa biem say ntimi ye ne say we penyin wan de bo be man after
o penyin bone o tena fie ma nkolare nanka ye ka nanka fifo a oka ho bi you see kememem ka bi amembu no anya say enti Onum say ende meti me ye youth. Sanka ende ebia aban ye to aba ma aban say omba hihye ndama na omamtifoyen a ye wo oman no ye timamfo ye ho ye den edodwen. Enti say me wo oman no mu na say ndama nkoyi as a youth me bre na me kaka say o na na do amambu no nkoyi I say ebusu enche fa amambu a maka say na nan nim. Me ka say na nim ndama nkoyi na meka. Enti say opani one ya ade ye wonu fi say oh in that culture you see those times say wo ba ende ebia wunya ketewa won no ho na wo ya ade akira no hu say ade na wo ya enkoyi a obeka nya wo no boso akira say o sister ade we say awo ya yeye on tire say waka wanim enti so opani wo ya ade bone na akwara e say opani to akwara afo na akwara so to opani fo.
Good, but say enye say wo ya de na bedwemu bebi wo ka asem a honu ma na say wo ka to honu no obi.
Na ma me na say ade a omo opani ka na say ade a honorable kan yi. TV okay TV no kwa all over that world.
And how do you know if he was called behind the scenes to be advised or
that's why
corrected?
Yeah, corrected no as an honorable member. You have to eat humble pie and brasimu oh. And maybe I say mbetna on TV so be American bibi my man can ye bia kasa American yes na me part but am be atuma adwen say me some fancha man can ye asa
na say why be that judges for yin say so obe apologize for saying
you see that's where I have problem. Judge for say me a honorable Kereja obi anka case man judge me antwe na nka court amfani no Only the man can those people they even omo patch omo kejina station ankasa obo so kasa asabdo kra e patch but yesterday punish omo ese no omo to jail enti o patch na e de channel no that's what make say yeah say MPP ni anaso obi a wo abemu ye bibia they have a way and I say one break on your mudi apart from that and amembu ne ho so we are not safe.
We are not safe. Yenfa no kakra ni nsi o ye hwe enim say ye stakeholders ya bo mudin e wo press release no emu no mo so bekasa e dia fa ho na as ye hu the way forward. Say if he's going to be punished for the statement and answer program if any enquiries and apologies be ebeba afterwards. But we are still in Ghana here in the state of affairs of Ghana. Say see no allowances any salary on some ye money for kakra na say the commoner be here yenhwe emolument committee ya bedu ya ntiamu abedu yeah led committee a womo hwe nsemu per recommendations e be boa ma man mpenifa wodo benya ho to de bu o man ni ye na so mo de betu just say man peni yere ene na be de chere womo bo adwuma mo boa mo kunu no emonti aside one more allowances are it's allocated to them monthly no they should be also be paid like cabinet ministers senabeya one to be say yes they are in office working for the country eba bontimpe oh enye NDC from kwa fan to Ghana for bia ke so oh we so there's a same way the timing is bad because there's a time my economy is facing hardship needs nyama I would draw prices have increased all over internet say a bad time in hunya say be chiomoka and all that but ko enim no say nsem ni go deeper and deeper and ye chiomo dada and ye mo musika na say de bia mo musika de say aban we de sika nko person de busuafo enko an o show mo na de say and that one was from your side as I said most of your communicators now mo nsem mo keka no to say de aban na pede sika ni ada kuma na yire no mo so mo fa enye dwane mo Eteko we chire no na your first lady ye mame Rebecca Kufuado osi okay say na Ghana for be reacted there and the wajibia from 2017 to up to date wo chia back any allowances no and salary no denounce say onye the next day Vice President Her Excellency Semira Bawumiaso Afolosuita wono so kasi obechia nya amate say receipt crap apie enti sa niye course ye kasa ho anu mbeche sika no has he shamed us as Ghanaians as shaming mu as a political party na someone na mo kasa na mo nim say nke be course wa na nka mo dey campaign me say am so no have he shamed you
nana me dase
okay
I'm say I want to correct some impression.
Okay.
Say asamba na Ghana for ka na sabe NDC for the one betuma. Ana ye asam na efi Ghana fa no so NDC for no woye. We are the biggest opposition party. We are the alternative party. And it's a bibiba. We are there to check this government and put the government on its toes.
No correct.
And it's a bibiba na adiyani hana na abaka so obesi chamber bi wo Parliament House chamber ye di anu betu Ghana for so pepepepe and then e can see say you will say a waste of resources. Ghana hima wo ye adwuma ya former akotuem since one year to adwuma for akotuem
easy
na do say we are not in normal times. Enti say bibia ba ni ya kan you see let me create that bibia what can say or say omo the allowances. You see issues say ba ya no nobody was talking about allowances. The issue is about salary. Omampeni yere yato abama no.
Dabi.
Omampeni adbede chere yato abama no.
No.
Se bibia ba na se Ghana fo arekasa nso wukun say ana omampeni say nka ono na adwem no yentwa omampeni omo yere mo no
omampeni ne kan ye ana say implement committee ene hye.
Na say omampeni na odi issue no cry so omo hwemu say anka say no ono pede oye no instead of allowance no won fa akotua nka ho because omo ye egbudu dwumadwuma na we bisa won say omampeni ye no say ye be to aba oya accountability mo bi ye betua nka and I appoint no government appointing no into a position on see a omoka. You see, say asamba ne ye can as Ghanaians. Na say ye can say NDC, MPP, then I didn't penny ye. Even members of parliament, both NDC and MPP are kicking against this thing. That should tell you, say, a man for a bone toss because say and then open ye juma what to do petrol. Bibia abu akosoro transportations akosoro petrol kwa na dey to Sunday eduma ya fa akotwa bebesi a na esi so the same akotwa na omo na am tototo sana me a omo atoto the tax atoto to bibia mu no na ya ho chi a ewo mu no say ye betwa mo ye mu ka na Ghana fo bu hia den and then yes ye twa na ka keke or the no omo atoto cabinet ministers and mami asema ye keke aye and yes ka keto house ana omo kan aye no ko say omo backdating from 2017
na say
and yes ka bu da ye and that ye tie and o bue hu pipe na e ba nso na say just auto sugar o dugum na wa to burde na o da no
as ayeti there are issues that we need to face. Who the world doing? Me I am one say some way you could mo dituma e che omanpan be say nimba ani omanpan abele chimba ye ntwa omoka. But ini ni emu ye nhye emolument committee no one more recommendations no say na enye fixed on only this government and one more year no first lady ni second lady.
Omanpan mo mu we say article 71 holders and omo ye mo article 71 holders. And today a bensan ye force e da she constitution mu from omampani JJ Abrodo omampani Kufu Abrodo omampani Mos Abrodo omampani John Mahama emba ni na omaja allowances what is obi aka hu bibi enti bensan na wonko de opese ye tua wai omampani ye mu fo ye tua omoka na Ghana fo kaka wo su koku apai enti nke ye nja na nkoso
why na see koku apai
I am omampani you see that woman I admire her so much from afar. But statement or release me in power. Oma many releases that statement. So because Ghana for akasa, I dare asabi. Who compare ye na Ghana for akasa, ya akasa so and who yana baby I want who yana de nanti and there you can say koto man penimo ye kana MP so MP so yasu ye musu ntu omoka. your friend say judges say omo ntu omo yere moka appointee say ntu omo assemblyman say ntu omo yere moka ye be yeska de buga na mai
ye be nyeska o de gina ho e de mam gina ho mam na me nhwe abulari me kan comment papa enti say o de banko ade a obete say makan e wa anti bomode ne fa o de be kan ye be chi omo ka hwe first lady I don't think say or sorry just like that no be foundation can comments no it got to some point we are not acquainted there her personality was being attacked say ebim cry say oh and because you are warming the bed of the president in Tienchoka for warming the bed we know they have duties they do as wives of the president. Exactly. Some of them have foundations Womode Ghana women children and all that. Ain't okay, so salary in pony and this one. Couldn't we have gone about it in a nicer way? So salary need there. But you see, some insinuations we are not making sending and don't you think say
you see Ghana ya dimbre na ye adwuma.
No problem.
Salary no on pass ye twam no almost say e wombrem. And won yembrem no so sir the wives of the president and the wives of the vice president doesn't fall under that embra na pass ye hwe so ye twam ka no. And so bibia pass ye embra no there are people who will challenge the law. Enti nkwofu bi afi omu pemu I think MP for bi afi omu pemu normal your friend say people citizens so afi omu pemu the assembly the eco court and so why won't you allow the court to determine so near environment committee kan no it stands and I say because yakasa won kakenti they will buefu because we are omanpeni yankasa
kasa no emi ehwe
mame the way your mo mpenidi a asode na ye de ama enti se wo fi se wo di domani na se wo nyi sa abadan se ye be criticize o and I say ye be ka bibia fa ho adan time sa asemo yimba ye won so be didi omanpani ya ta so obi akedi
ehoni assembly obi
akedi this is a test for her that means show say so on face strong criticism that won't control no because the issue that we are talking about is about salary, it's not about the allowances. And to say because of Ebufo, we're disrespecting Ghanaians. Because of Ebufo, to say, oh, even the allowances are there from 2017 up to date. We are refunding Ghanaians. It's a disrespect to the people of Ghana.
What disrespecting Ghanaians?
Exactly.
Is it not the other way around?
No. The argument in the system is not about allowances. It's about salaries. I ever say I force near chair among penny for year.
But still the allowance came in.
The allowances wasn't instituted under the NADO. The allowances it was there every your friend say among penny year among penny about the chibia allowance because you need among penny year Madam Rebecca our foundation. One but two Ghana said nam one echo supporting the foundation. One but supporting one to say institutions supporting the foundation.
Yeah, we are funding
salary. They have a way of mobilizing the foundation, both internationally and locally. Into salary na amba na kadane baba. That is the issue. Amba kadane baba.
Enka but can't we have gone about it in a nicer way? Say it wouldn't have offended on the image and I say the personality as the first aid because some of the comments are not back up no as a person as who they young funny say you are just a Ghanaian who also vies to be in a position as a person like that now open position and also what in position if certain things are said about you just because of some salaries that but it was being allocated to you through a committee. Now afraid the committee has been left aside. Their recommendations have been left aside, but the person who is receiving it now afraid the people are checking the allowances they have been receiving, what they have been using it for, and all that. Doesn't it break your personality down?
I make her say, Mommy, and yet Nanado pay. Na sabu abe yo man penny wa Ghana.
No correct. And then Nanado ne asem ne can okay.
And you know, you should know say o man penny fu bi aba, omo yususu aba.
No correct.
What I say? Na asma ye kanu, who can say is based on the recommendations committee ni the so it's by law. And so when people are challenging the law, Obi Monte as some of the court, it's because we have turned this issue to MPP and this because the MPP communicators on social media and everything were trying to defend the issue or they need to be given, but Ghana and your back for my own. And so who can be? I'll be super to me. I can be. And she said, yeah, can officer and call in your favor, and because out of that, no, who call a pie, it's out of it before even the allowance side them no will reject ya. It's a disrespect to the people of Ghana, and that's why they are made him my man here. Because nobody was talking about the allowances. Going so your man penny here, then Ubenya visitors, then Kofu Babesrao, then Ebia Ubashan Kwala, Yenimindama or Kokumasa, or Bibikaka, all through organizations and donations from people. You get my point? Yeah. So you have a way of mobilizing for all those resources and then run your organization, your friends, you and you. Okay. And it's a balance. We were talking about salary. Say, yeah, person you try moka. But allowances there from Jerry Abesu, BBI, it was there. Nobody was complaining about it.
Truly. You see a pressure amount is say allowances no. You see about say the bad year and your former government. First lady, second lady, almost form of them, no follow suit. You think say no past or former first lady or second lady should koto to this. It's because of the backlash now about Mosono. That's why we want to create something and then divert the attention. No Ghanaian has discussed about allowances. So no person on pen on fan, but that's why I'm telling you that it's a disrespect to the people of Ghana. Because some on pen not so they buy on fan Ghana for budget, but we can see hospitals are mankwala. And we can see hospitals are mankwala. Abulari wababiem on the issue of Kennedy Japan, Ahmed Swale and all that. My person kind comment no. I say I always blame you, the journalist, when Ahmed Swale was treated. When Ahmed Swale was threatened by Kennedy Japan, few months later he was killed. But you, the journalists, were quiet. Do you expect me as a teacher to talk? Ghana there's something we call freedom of speech. Freedom of speech, no elho, but your freedom ends when somebody else's freedom is destroyed or is distracted. And we were never quiet. Ahmed Swale's death, we have been speaking about it from time immemorial. Free and umbrella. Ahmed Swale Toye. Journalists have been talking about it. We even have a yearly event that we hold JIJ for any Ghana Journalists Association for Munia Kaboom. Last year, I remind the government to say, I'm actually no. All that is still being under the watch of journalism. Everything that will come up from that part, you can't want at him to one there. Abu Larry,
some or kind, a serious issue. It's Captain Smart. Captain Smart, I don't know about sure cement to say Yedikesi Cathedral.
No crazy.
That campaign Captain Smart, one young man, Abani or was in there. In Tabani, had no criticizing your friend radio TV stations here in lady. And the Captain Smart or
a private owned company.
I don't have problem. And you know, that means you can't boy some action. That's what I'm telling you. And that one, you won't be one another. And I say, I'm a member now, Kaka, no one can hear you. You're from or warning. And you don't value your life into back as or so on. It is Abu or my some Mamusam and ye. Other than I don't come about my penny or Ghana, and I come as a mintia.
Or the because I'm not young share, you come on every year. No, the youth of Okaiko Central, then you training from one year.
Mammy, I'm say, I dare Baku in here or Kanko Central, I say, Yabenya MP, who is an NDC member. Yes, because ya bread and Kanko Central can't about to one someone. We contribute so much to the national voting norms. But I can message say, Mumayan Jai, we eat me, mean we in Yadanfu, to me, no way in Yadanfu, see na Yako as a party. because uba me also won here bibi na ni mo bi amama me ni bi am but say wo power at least metumi afre bi am sister na doma ma mo appointment metumi aba also me youth bi say ohia bibi kaka e busy bi obetumi abo anti me fi say umame e wo kitchen it's better than who stepmother or kitchen.
Mama tia say, umame wo ha aduane be befo. O stepmother dia ya. Don't be na bury.
Who is an NDC and inshallah 2024. Okanko Central will provide an MP who is an NDC member.
Ah, okay. Yeah, she nim se beba so sa year 2024. Ma so sa say
then na me pe no be ye.
Ebusuafo finally ye de nkomo ni nya abe ewiye na nkomo ye chechen ye ene de efa ye honorable Kennedy Japan ni allegations bi ni nsem bi okeka ye efa Erastus Asaridonko journalist that want joy news for ejuma no enotwa ejira incident ni nya beto abonten so at the Ghana for ye ni eba ho the comment to make about abranten no na call Kelvin Taylor so be fire said that be a threat etianu ntina wo benya pa se obetu anamo under for na sempen for any beba ho bie mu na chire na multimedia for so abe release statement say omo so etu anamo e dey for wa womo treaty we no as a threat against womo worker womo pe ahobampo e dey ma no na yedi kwa we ye no ene kofa ye mame first lady her excellency Rebecca Ekufu-Addo any ebiem so no her excellency Samira Baumia womo refunda womo of formal allowances na ebiem so mudina salary ka ya recommend say ke fa mom ni nya ne se Ghana for kasa bebre Ghana for akasa ma esi na free mom so mum pebiem ti na ese no nkomo ene na ye cheche wa ha say adwinche bia so mu de ntimi amasa abre obetimi e de continue de aba ebrimba mu a ye be kenkan bi na se ya hwe na ye di hu adwuma e de wonti ye di esi ne mekan mu se enne ne dedike a wo hwe ye channel yi so abomodin and subscribe to my GH woni papa pray e de mamo every time ye mamo current state of affair e Ghana de ekoso Ghana hankwa ene de mamo biem se bibi e koso internationally na wunya so so beti mu nsem so a ebomo modin e de ehun nsem e de beso mu bomodin na mo subscribe na mo follow your programs and what do I do to your channel here so na ebiem nso no mo nko social media platforms Instagram Twitter so @tumagh_ and follow your honum Facebook @tumagh ene mene Kofi NDC dodo na di omo de friend no Kofi NDC na twetwe nkomo ba ni di ankasa ene Mr Daniel Hazel oye youth organizer at my NDC amanyiko no ewo Kaiko Central it was a for na say e brenya wie edu enti na munia banana ama obuso amedi nsem no esi na me ya duma e be say te shabi makra munia bye bye.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.